Hi, this is DJ Tech29. Today we are going to show you some awesome interior gadgets for your car that you must buy, and don't worry, all the things you can easily buy video where links are available. Subscribe our channel for more updates. For PCS 48 LEDs, USB interior lights, multicolor music car strip light under dash lighting kit with sound active function and wireless remote control, 2 years warranty sound active function. The LED strip light can change color with your voice or music, allows you to enjoy the fun with the color changing following your to install it. Well, it is easy to install. First plugged into a USB port, then peel the back double-sided tape. Paste the light strips on the car floor. Plug and play with the wireless IR remote control LED strip with USB cable for car TV. The LED strip lights come with USB cable powered by DC 5V, not only suitable for car decoration, but also TV bias. Automotive vacuum with wet dry. The Car vacuum cleaner has high power for a 12V. With the wet and dry capabilities, you can use this auto tool for detailing, but it goes beyond just your cars. Use this for boats, trucks and RVs, or any type of vehicle with a DC outlet. Portable vacuum with car cleaning accessories. This car detailing kit is the best for vehicle or car cleaning. With a 14.8-foot cord, this handheld vacuum will go anywhere in your interior exterior for the best detailing work. High power output. This wet dry strong car vacuum has the power to deliver wet or dry suction to clean up the toughest stains and pick up the unwanted debris in your vehicles. As a 2-car vacuum, the motor is centered in centrifugal force to give you a powerful vacuum in a compact filled with maneuverability. Quick clean UPS. This detailing car cleaner is ideal for cleanup after ride sharing, sandy days at the beach, or a car ride with the family pet. An ideal accessory for the car. You can take this vacuum anywhere the road takes you. Included cleaning attachments, 1-piece long tube. Now don't worry about losing your keys, laptops, or anything that is very precious to you, because with this amazing gadget, you will get more secure and more comfortable. To save your time about worrying about your things, just buy a $20 gadget and feel free Bluetooth tracker, keys finder and item locator. Up to 250 feet. Range, up to 3-year battery. Water resistant, phone finder. iOS and Android compatible. Versatile tracker tile helps you keep track of your things. Attach the tile mate to everyday things like keys, backpacks or purses. Use our free app to find them. Control method application. Special feature Bluetooth. Find nearby. Use the tile app to ring your tile when it's within Bluetooth range, or ask your smart home device to find it for you. Find far away. When outside of Bluetooth range, use the tile app to view your tile's most recent location on a map. Find your phone double. Press the button on your tile to make your phone ring. Even when it's on silent, notify when found. Enlist the help of the tile network to help find your things. If your tile is lost, add your contact information so you can be reached when someone scans the QR code on your lost tile and